My brethren, them gyal nowadays not good at all, you know. Them sweet on the outside like ripe mango, but sour, sour like lime. The more you get to know them, you know. So, one girl me the like, my girl me the like, you know. She smile when she want things, but the minute my pocket empty, she vanish like faster than light bill money, you know. Yeah man, 1 minute she love me, and the next space, she needs space like Lassa. Chat like a radio man, and full of enough promise like election season, but can't deliver nothing, you know. Not even sense, you know. You see the cherries with her, she twist the story. You want that for you, you start one there for you, mad. She bring beer stress, no peace. She not built with nobody, you know. She just skill and ill. No foundation, just vibes and problems in my G. The God be the glory for life, me I tell my father. A elder did advise me say, run you, not even jog. Run before you end up single and tired. You never tell a lie, no my general. The girl that appear waist pipe. Yeah man, she not come with no face card, no credit, no moral, no peace. She wake up with problem and brush her teeth with chaos and be in a confusion. Anyway she step, drama follow her like noontime shadow. She not loyal, she just available. She talk about say, me misunderstood, but everybody else understands say, she love attention more than oxygen. Enough of them want princess treatment, but behave like them the pan clearance my general. Zero direction, zero accountability, just loud, wrong, and proud. You feel my father? They try to lift fire up, them just pull you down. Them stress it till you start lose hair. The God be the glory for life, me I tell my people. The girl there, no bring no peace. I just be heartache and lessons, you know. She almost when we get the heart transplant, you know. Her dirty ways, almost my organs, them age before time, and my father. But I feel like for man, like a unread message, no reply, no response, just cut her off like I'm a toenail them, you know. Yeah, so we have to say we out. Alright, so we are close out. I add to what you're saying now. Because you know me been through it. You know me been through it. Yeah man, you been through it, man. You been through it, we out. You should have been the front runner of the subject. Yeah man, them heart cold like fridge in the Arctic. Enough of them love problem like our dog love bone, you know. Anywhere them walk, no peace can live there, you know. Them no loyal. Them love money like how Jesus love little children. Yeah man, you know no money. Them not look your way. But tomorrow you win the lotto. Yeah, them are the best of the friends. Them want queen treatment, but act like a village clown. No plan, no sense, no direction. You try to help them drain you. So nobody think you can love them. Them girl that will break your spirit. You know man. Them girl brother are just pure lessons, no blessings. You have to left them with them there before you lose yourself and all your senses them man. Yo, you look like you gain some senses in the youth. I first me hear talk and you sound like you have sense, you know. Yeah man, I feel proud of your youth. Cause I know you've been through it, you know. And you should have, as me tell you should be like the subject, you know. You're supposed to can teach you them everything about the subject, you know me, in my general. Cause you've been through it, you know man. Oh God man. I've been through it a little bit. But you come like say yo, you have a PhD with woman, you know. Not even just woman, but just bad luck with gold diggers, you know. And them harlot, you know. Them termites. No, my father, man. I show me have a good heart, man. You know you have a good heart. Then that's how I tell you way, pal. You have to change them things that about yourself, youth. You think you alone have good heart, youth. You don't think say my heart good too. My heart good, but my mind not full. But you come in like your mind and your heart too full. Oh man. I just try to give people the benefit of the doubt. You give them the benefit of the doubt. Wait, man. You give them too much. Alright. Oh, man. Alright, them tackle your heart out. Alright. And that's the thing I go reach. Just wait, man. But you need to teach your youth them. Not just listen to the message and listen to my liquor experience. Have a weep out. All-time experience. And look out on the eye, man. Look out on the eye. Make sure say you're not gonna add to them like a termite, you know? Make sure say y'all watch it 2 cents and learn. Cause them man no miss. Enough things them man teach you them for my 2 cents. I understand. I really thought, man. I learn Agla. Enough times you used to tell me what I'm going, you know. And my name used to really and listen to you, you know, youth. But I learn youth. It took me a little while, people, but I learn. I'm glad I learn youth. Cause, yeah man, 1 minute she love me, and the next space, she needs space like Lassa. Chat like a radio man, and full of enough promise like election season, but can't deliver nothing, you know. Not even sense, you know. You see the cherries who die. Just twist the story. You want that for you. You start one there for you, man. She bring beer stress.